We have learned about the file explorer. We learn about this PC, file, folder, shortcut, and even you remember we started about selecting and deleting files on Windows 10. Now, moving ahead with the journey, we are here with start button and start menu. We'll also learn how to customize this menu. We will learn switching between the application, using multiple desktops, changing the desktop background, and even customizing the lock screens. We'll explore about themes, and we are going to learn about desktop icon settings. So, I could see you are so thrilled to explore about it. Why not to just recall what we have learned so far? Come. So, let's match the icons with their names. Do you remember what is this? Good. This PC. And what is this, children? Oh, yes, this is folder. Wonderful. And this is file. And what is this icon? Tell me quickly. We are here with Windows 10. Great. So I could see you remember all you learned in your previous class. Now, moving ahead, we are going to talk about start button. Where is the start button? The start button exists on the left bottom of the screen, and when you click on it, it shows the list of the program. So here we could see the start button, and when you click on the start button, you get the start menu. Now, why we require start menu? Children, start menu is basically used to access the programs and the settings of the computer, and it has a vertical panel. One is the vertical panel, which you'll see over here. The left panel shows the installed and the most used apps. So here you could see the list of all the installed apps which exist in the computer. And then we have the edit tiles. These are the tiles which you could see, which you could open by just clicking it, right? And here on the left corner, you could see the user icons. Now, what is the use of user icons? It shows the menu which has options to log out and view your account. Okay, so now we come at the tiles part. See, these tiles has these features. The first feature we have is drag and drop feature, where you can just select any of the tile and drag it and place it at the place you wish to add. Then again we have the tile options, which you can get by clicking the right button of the mouse. We say by just right click of the mouse, and it shows the menu which gives you the option to change the size of the tile. Got it? And then we have also expand the menu option. That means here you could see the edge. If you drag the edge, the menu is going to expand or contract the size of the tiles. Got it? Now let's explore it further. And suppose you want to customize your start menu. Now there are different options for customizing, and you can customize your start menu by rearranging and resizing the tiles in the tiles part according to your requirement. Okay, so first thing we are going to learn is how to resize these tiles, right? So first thing is you are going to click on this start menu and then right click on the tile whichever you want to, on which you want to work. See here, whenever you are going to click on the tile, that particular tile will be visible like this. Other tiles doesn't have the border, but this tile, because you have just selected the tile, it is going to be highlighted. Okay. Now click the resize from the option. Here, when you click on the tile and right click, you will get a button that is called resize. This is the second step you are going to do, and after that you get the different options of resizing. You want to make it broader, you want to make it small, you want to make it large, you want to bring it to middle, whatever you want to see. This is on the corner, smallest size, then medium size, then you want to make it broad, and the larger means it is the biggest size. Okay, so this is how we can customize our size of the tile. So very interesting thing. I'm going to take step by step and just keep trying these things on your system as well. So once you are going to try it, you will be more confident. Yes. So now we move ahead with the second step of customization, that is rearranging the tile. So same thing has to be done. First thing is you are going to click on the start button. Here, this is first step. Okay, so we just click on the start button and we get the menu. Then after that, just click and hold the tile which you want to select and move. So because we are going to rearrange it, that means some of the tile will be taken from one place to another. You are going to drag it, move it. Okay, so we will just click on the tile which you want to drag and then move it and drag it to a new specific position where you want to take it. So that means you are going to drag the tile wherever you want to place it, and once it reaches to that place, you are going to release that tile. See, I'm going to show you how it actually works. First thing, you click here. After that, you click on the tile which you want to drag, and then you are going to drag it, hold the mouse button, drag it and take it to the new position, and wherever you will release the mouse button, the tile is going to take that particular location. Understood? Good. Shall we move ahead? Okay. Now we come to adding or pinning the app on the start menu. So children, when you want to pin the app, the first thing is click on the start button. Very good. So again, there is a start button. You are going to click on it and then right click on the app which you want to pin to start menu. That means here these are the different apps. So you are going to click on that app which you want to pin, and then right click the mouse, select the pin to start. So you will click on the option which is pin to start, and this pin button will be visible there as a icon. Okay, and then the selected app will display on the right pane in the form of the tile. That means it will be visible like this. Okay, now it converts into a tile. Understood? I'm explaining you again. We are going to choose any of the app which are available on the start menu, and when you click on that app, you get different options. Here the option is pin to start. So if you click on that particular app to pin to start, that will convert into a tile, and then it could be opened and it is clearly visible in the form of tile. Got it? Great. I hope you are enjoying the learning. Yes, customizing your Windows screen is a real fun. So come, let's keep on exploring further. Here we go. And now we are going to learn how to switch between the applications. So children, in Windows 10, you can switch between 2 or more running apps. That means at a time, you can have more than 2 running apps which are visible here at the bottom in the taskbar. Now what happens? These are the different apps which are already opened. So suppose one here you have already opened the calculator. You can see this calculator is highlighted. Now next to it, suppose you want to open this Excel file. So simply what has to be done, you will bring your cursor icon here and click a pointer at this place. So what will happen? Another screen will open over this screen. Like here I have opened this Paint. So what's happening? This will remain there, but another screen will open over it and you are able to see the new file that you have selected. Right? This is one way to just change the task. This is called the taskbar method. So what we are going to do in the taskbar method, the taskbar shows all the open apps on your screen, right? They are available here, I just told you. And then we click on the app on the taskbar that you want to use. It will appear in the front of the other app which is already there. And now when it comes on the front, you are able to work on it. Interesting to learn? Yes. And still, there is another way also to do the same work, and that is called the task view method. Now, what is task view method? Here you can see the task view icon. So what you have to do is you'll just click on the task view icons. So you'll be able to see all the tasks as a thumbnail. So just click on the thumbnail you want to open and that particular task will open on the screen. So don't delay, just keep trying it. Just click these buttons. It's very interesting, very easy to work out, and once you explore it, it makes your working on Windows 10 a great fun, right? So come, we move ahead and we are going to learn so many more things in video number 2 of the same lesson. Till then, see you later, goodbye and happy learning.